imagine a world where you want to talk to people, but the words just don't come out right. When your brain is overflowing with ideas, but whenever you try and share them, people either look away or look at you as if you're broken. Now imagine that that person is your little brother. हाँ, मेरा छोटा भाई हम सबसे थोड़ा अलग है, बहुत तेज है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट. Doctors refer to such diversity as neurodivergence. Doctors refer to such diversity as neurodivergence, and some people in society call this abnormal. But for me, he was just different, not less. Still, one day when he was playing with his toy cars, he was arranging them in order: red, yellow, blue. And I, being the typical big brother, did the most obvious thing. I put the red car to the back. He looked at me, blinked twice, screamed like I just punched him in the face. Lesson learned. The red car stays at the front. There are almost 1.4 billion neurodivergent people, which is nearly 1 in 5 humans. Autism, ADHD, dyslexia, OCD, many more come under this umbrella. But here's the twist. Neurodivergence is not a disorder, it's a difference. It's not a bug, it's just a different operating system. जैसे विंडोज़ और मैक दोनों चलती हैं लेकिन अपने अलग तरीके से. The moment when Amir Khan realizes that Ishan can't read or write like other children, goosebumps. Ishan wasn't lazy, he wasn't naughty. He just saw the world through a lens most of us can't even imagine. And that scene was my reality. My brother, like Ishan, couldn't sit still in class, but get him talking about dinosaurs or planets, and NASA hires him. Have you seen those find the odd one out puzzles? My brother was always the odd one out. But what if? What if the odd one out was the most special piece? The one that made the picture beautiful. Recently we went to a family wedding, and because of my brother's loud nature, a couple called him retarded. Think what happens to the confidence of these children when people always judge them or insult them. Think what happens in their mind when people always isolate them, when no one wants to sit with them or talk to them in school. Think about the fear of their parents when they think who will take care of their children when they are no longer there in the world. Who will take care of them? Who will sit beside them? कितना heartbreaking और exhausting होता है ये. I have sometimes seen my mother's tears, through which I learned this hard truth. My brother taught me something no textbook ever could. He taught me that the world doesn't need people who are ready to fit in. It needs people who are brave enough to stand out. So today I don't stand here asking for sympathy. I'm standing here asking for something far more radical: respect. For every child who's been called slow, abnormal, difficult, loud, for every Ishan who never met his Amir Khan. To those who listen with judgment, I say, don't lower the volume of their voice. Change your frequency. Because in the end, सबका अपना अपना नॉर्मल होता है, लेकिन नॉर्मल होने से ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है एक अच्छा इंसान होना. थैंक यू.